Today is closing day for my listing for this beautiful, beautiful historic home at 304 Hillcrest. Oh my gosh. It's a 1913 built home. So it's a beautiful historic home. It's absolutely adorable. It has the side porch. Look at that craftsmanship. It has, look at the trees. Oh my gosh. And then this is the sidewalk in the neighborhood. Those are the neighbors. Like, oh my gosh. I love this home. It was a probate listing. Actually, it was my first probate. And it wasn't bad at all. The Florida lawyers with Holland and Knight did an excellent job. My seller was so nice. The buyer's agent was very, very nice. I'm gonna miss coming here. We did a lot of open houses here and a lot of neighbors came to this. We had previous owner coming here. Check out the swing. Check out the swing. Yeah, one of the open houses, one of the previous owners came in and looked at the piano that was there and said, that was my piano. That's where I raised my kids. So, oh my gosh. So now I have to go in. I'm taking down my signs and I'm going in, taking down my lockbox. And as a realtor, before we close, before the buyers come and do their walkthrough, I do my walkthrough to make sure that this home is in perfect condition. So the buyers will be so happy. So I'm walking in and first of all, I see something like this. One of the agents who did a buyer's open house left this chair inside and it needs to go out there. Look at these cute balcony doors that are locked. Let me get the key. And then I have to get all these sheets out. This is information on the foundation that my seller was very gracious enough to have an engineer report done so the buyers can see that. Look at this piano, it's staying. Oh, you should feel the breeze that comes through here. This is a little balcony door that's off the dining room. And I just opened it up so I could take this chair out. And there's such a cool breeze. So this is the side patio. The buyers wanted this. They said, please leave the table, even though it's a little broken. It's almost like a puzzle. We can put it together. And there's somebody that can do that. Definitely. But these are all the little pieces. Let's see if I can find a piece. No? Aha! Is this a piece? No. But anyway, so let me put this chair back. So this looks very nice. And then somebody left this chair like that. I don't know why. So these are the little things I do for the buyers before they come in. This is the side porch. Okay, so let's see what else. Oh, so then here's my nice rug I had here for staging. So that's gonna go. I'm gonna put this by the front door because I'm going to have my man come. Mr. Jock is gonna come and get all my staging stuff out of here. So I'll put this here so he won't forget that. Look at this, there's dual staircases, one over here and then one going up the stairs. Then I look at this stuff, oh my gosh. So we got a whole boatload of stuff we gotta take. This is my listing sheet. Here's another listing sheet. Here's some information. Who was helping with the lending. We got some secret stuff in there that I know who has that. So now this was all my staging stuff, and this is great because I definitely need this centerpiece for my new listing I have in Lake Morton. So I totally forgot about this little candle, Sugar and Space, with the EXP logo. Carly was supposed to put Willer's Homes team in the back because she has a Cricut. Okay, so I just switched this out. I have a new listing on Reagan Street in Lake Morton, and I'm thinking this would be perfect in one of the bedrooms that we're having as an office. So what do you think? So keep the rug because they have original hardwood floors, and this is a desk, and I can use one of those chairs and I'll use that lamp. So repurposing staging. Okay, so now this is the primary. I just checked to make sure everything's good, make sure the air conditioning's working. You don't know how many times, well, not a lot of times, but it's amazing. You do a walkthrough and then the air conditioner's broken. And then kitchen looks good now. And now I'm just gonna go upstairs, make sure everything is okay up here. There's 2 more bedrooms, or actually 3 more bedrooms. Here's 1 bedroom. Looks good up here. And then this is another bedroom. Look at the natural light. And then this is a walk-in closet. I forgot about that. And then here's the bathroom. Now I forget, did I put this up? I think it was there. Gosh, I can't remember. So if you can't remember if you put that up or not, I'll have to look at my records, but I'll just keep it there. It doesn't look very expensive. A lot of times I leave stuff like planters, or like if I make really nice curb appeal in the front and I have flowers and a nice rug, I tend to leave them there. And the buyers love it. They're like, oh, well, they don't thank me, but I know they're happy. So that's what I do on closing day. Everything's ready for the man to come pick up all this stuff. If you're thinking about selling your historic home in Lakeland or in Polk County or even in Hillsborough, contact Elizabeth Willers with eXp Realty. I really care about my listings. I take good care of them, and I do a really good job. Contact me.